So we're going to make some honey lemon garlic salmon sitting on a little bed of couscous. Big Papa here. The one request I get a lot is salmon. And actually I don't eat salmon, and neither does my wife, but doesn't stop me from making you some. Should be fun. Here's the juice of 2 lemons. Here's 1 teaspoon of garlic. Okay, I don't have real cloves, but I use this a lot. A lot of cooks use the jarred garlic, you'd be surprised. And then we're going to go 2 teaspoons of honey. Take this and we're going to heat it up with just a splash of desert gold. So we'll get that on film in just a second. Now we're going to take our salmon. Bad thing when you don't like salmon. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit it with desert gold. Desert gold has sesame, it has lemon, it has garlic, black pepper, all kinds of herbs. It's just a wonderful thing. So we're going to take this and we're going to put a cast iron pan. We're going to just put a little salt and spray some oil because we want to crisp up the skin. We're going to cook it for about 3 or 4 minutes on medium to low heat, skin side down. Let's put some lemon on there. But I'm going to flip it over and get both sides. So that'll be kind of cool. But we want the skin crispy. We know that. And we might take it off. Some people may like it. These are lemons off my tree. Okay, next time I see you, I'll be at the stove. We're going to get the sauce hot. We're not going to use all the sauce. We're going to baste it at the end with it. But we're not using all of it because we're going to save some to drizzle into the couscous too. So let's go to the stove. Like I said, I salted the pan. And I want to pull some of the oils out. There's the gold on the couscous.